Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to buy tickets for Real Madrid. So let's get started. So basically there are two ways to do it. The first way is you go to their website realmadrid.com/English, and after that you're gonna press on tickets, and in here you can see all the upcoming matches. Let's say you wanted to buy a ticket for this match, for example, and it's gonna lead you to this page right here. You have to type in your number, and after that you have to type in the password that you want, and then you press on validate, and then you press on get started, and it's gonna lead you to the payment process. And the other way is go to stophub.ie, which is this link right here, and after that you scroll down and you press on the match that you wanted to get the tickets for. Let's say this one, and after that you select the position that you want to sit on, and then you press on buy now. After that, it's going to ask you to fill in some information to continue with the payment. If you have an account already, you just have to sign in, and then it's going to lead you to the payment process. If you don't have one, you just have to create one, and after that proceed to the payment. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.